Welcome to Vaughan's Days Out, guys. A bit different day. So, we're in Newport Rising today, but it's on Sunday. So what we're going to do, we're going to go up Risca and try and make a day at Risca. So we got the craft market up there. Also, there's a Santa's grotto up there, so we're going to try and get into that as well.
Right after Halloween as well.
I want to speak.
When?
I'm having eggs and bacon and beans.
Yeah, we're going to try and get some breakfast, guys, in one of the cafes. And then we're also going to try and do the library, craft market, and hopefully see Santa. It's the 1st of November.
I honestly don't know why Santa's already out, because it's just been Halloween.
An egg.
No more.
An egg.
You want egg? You want egg? So we're going to go for a walk, guys, and see what we can do today. What's it on YouTube? Actually got black eye there, babe.
No, I don't. But what?
Your eyes look so there. It's from your Halloween makeup last night, isn't it, babe?
I'm probably washing it as well.
It's from your ninja makeup.
I did go to sleep last night, really late.
You did? First seat on the settee last night.
What did you say?
Your first seat on the settee last night, watching Hocus Pocus. It's Christmas.
Rocking around the Christmas tree.
Put your songs in, let's get there, yes.
Daddy, can we... I can't
Yeah, the Halloween torch, look.
can't put on.
You know, I can turn it on, that's fine for you, buddy.
I should pop on.
Well, that's a good place to have some grub, guys, and a pint. So now we're going to try the Cuckoo. It's the first time in here, guys, quite nice actually. Chris. Lexi. So last week on this one is Benitos, but it's been overtaken, so. But it is really nice. It's really nice in here. So we're having breakfasts. Oh, look at that, guys. Absolutely banging on its mush. Bit of black pudding on it as well.
Bacon.
The bacon, black pudding, fried bread.
Look at that.
Toast. Oh, it's a nice. Is that nice, Marley? We'll dive in, guys, and
10 out of 10.
give her a review.
10 out of 10.
Lexi's made her mind already. Well, that's it. I went to the Cuckoo, and I gotta say that was absolutely amazing.
It was 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. That was amazing. That was really nice food. We got 2 small breakfasts, which were £8. It was £8, was it 6? And then I got a large breakfast, which was £10. So. But it's really worth it. Absolutely stunning. We'll go to the park now, guys, and see what's going on in there. So guys, got Risca Craft, you know. We do this at the start of every month. Santa's in there. Santa.
Don't see Santa.
Oh, they're cool, maybe.
Oh my god, they're so cute.
Toasted marshmallows. Christmas is coming, guys. Christmas is coming. Oh, the cookies are huge, aren't they? They're massive, aren't they?
Can I have one?
Hey guys, how much Daddy got after a minute? Kids want everything. Oh, they're cool, they some ghosty things, you know that?
We always get this one.
Look at these, like these, they're cool.
Look at little lion.
Lexi, what pumpkins? Cool, eh? They got turd and toilet.
Let's see turtles.
Turtles,
Oh, look, axolotls.
cool, eh? Got the boo-boos here. That's it.
Yeah, I know.
Boo-boo. Guys, check out Welsh Prints, guys. We're on Facebook, on WhatsApp. It's the time, guys. Santa is here in Risca. But let's see if we can see him. So we might have to book. Uh-oh, here we go.
Hello.
This is Santa.
What do we have here then?
What's your names?
Lexi.
What's your name?
Mali?
Mally
Lexi.
and Lexi. Have you both been good this year?
Yeah.
Yeah? And what's your favourite colour?
Blue.
Blue?
Blue.
Blue. Good choice. Mine too. So you've been good in school? You doing really well there? Yeah? Yourself?
Yeah.
Yeah? And you got some really good friends with you? That's good, isn't it? So what are you wanting for Christmas?
Wrestling.
Sorry?
Wrestling.
Wrestlers.
Wrestling. Who's your favourite wrestler?
Cody Rose.
Yeah? And what you wanted for Christmas?
Like clay or something like that.
Yeah? Like little making arty things, do you?
Yeah.
Have you both sent me a letter yet?
No, yeah, I can do it later.
You can do it later? Are you going to send me a letter? Yeah? That's good, isn't it? Want to get a photo? Yeah?
Photo?
Wanna
Yeah.
photo?
Just hold my camera.
One on either side. There we go.
Ready? Smile. There you go. That's a nice
There we
one.
go, okay. So what do you like besides wrestling?
Yeah.
What else do you like?
What else do you like, Barry?
Play.
Yeah. What other TV shows do you like?
Wrestling.
Apart from wrestling, what else do you watch? Like trains, don't you?
Yeah.
Thomas Tank Engine, we watch it.
And what do you like on telly?
K-pop Demon Hunters.
Yeah? Do you like Stitch though, yeah?
Yeah, I love Stitch.
Stitch, I think, yeah? There we go.
Thank you.
Oh, look at that.
Stitch.
Do you like Sonic?
Yeah, you like Sonic, no?
There we go.
Oh, say thank you.
And there's a goodie baggage as well.
Thank you.
Oh, say thank
In the
you.
goodie bag there's a little black thing cut in Christmas shape, you scrape it off and then it'll be all colours underneath and you can hang it on a tree.
Oh, that's good, isn't it?
Alright?
That's good.
Hang on the tree.
So I'll see you both on Christmas Eve, make sure you behave, yeah?
Yeah,
Yeah? Well done. Okay.
Oh, that's
Merry
nice, isn't it?
Christmas!
Thank you. Merry Christmas.
Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, then.
There you go. Enjoy the rest of your day, guys.
Thank you. That was cool, guys. See Santa.
Dad.
Yeah, boy. Look at this.
See what's in here. Look at that.
It's cool. They got goodie bags. Got little things there. Look, and there's a Christmas decoration in there.
Is it?
So there's a little Christmas decoration.
I know what they are.
Let's see what's wrong with you. The stalls, guys.
They have stamps in there.
Stamps in there as well, isn't
And
it?
they have tattoos.
Oh, that's cool, isn't it?
Don't pull anything out.
What?
That's some more, guys.
Don't pull anything out yet. Keep them in.
Dad.
Good boy.
Nice to
Oh, you got your stamp out, yeah?
Don't put it on
And
you.
then.
He always draws himself.
Is he?
Oh, Dad, just push it out.
I want
Push out. That's nice pictures, isn't it?
Dad, can you put one on me?
Yeah, hang on then. Put on your wrist. And candles, you guys.
Push it out best.
Oh, I can't.
Yeah, Grinch, be look. See the Grinch? Wait,
Oh my god.
please see Grinch. Go on then, let's go to the
I
next one,
can't
see?
do what?
We're doing a go home, shall we?
No.
I don't even do it. We go.
It's supposed to be on your hand.
We do it on paper when we go home.
I know.
Go, go, go. What else we got here? Put your stamp in there, okay, boy? Oh, look, Marty. Look, everything in there, look. Everything pillows.
This blue over there.
I knew what county behind it. Best two teams together, that is.
Everton.
Don't know, Everton and Newport county together. Look.
Ooh. We love those.
We do.
Risca.
Best two teams together, that is.
Stitch to this.
Cool, mate.
Yeah.
There's no one here. Where else from you?
Oh, Dad. Dad.
What's that?
Along.
Along.
A
You
log.
go along.
Go along.
Oh, they're nice actually. Go along caramel. Nothing. Infamous park gates, guys, with the Morgan crest on it. Or the deer. On Lord Riga. Mari, did you see Santa?
Yeah, I love you, get me.
That was cool, that wasn't
I
it?
got a stamp from him.
A stamp. Anyway,
Yeah, I got some too.
Bad things.
Mine has feet on them.
What's that?
Mine has feet on them.
Mine's got ho 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 on it. Are we going to the library, guys? The old cinema as used to be, the Palace. Stunning building. The outside. We're going to the library for a bit and something from the library. My mum, guys, will find yourself in the book. Look. It's a very young me there. Like when I was in the theatre company. Well, that's it, guys. A bit of a different one today. A bit shorter than usual. It's a bit different, you know. We set our home time today. So some of the little things we can do.
We're gonna see fireworks.
Yeah, we've seen Santa. I'm gonna go home now. Hot dogs and fireworks.
Yeah, it's gonna be delicious hot dogs.
Yeah, delicious hot dogs and fireworks. Right. So if you like this video, guys, like, comment, subscribe. What was I on YouTube?